Ideas on how to make $100,000 USD by 2025. Level up your career. Negotiate a raise. Research salaries in your field and confidently ask for what you're worth. Seek promotions. Take on new challenges, expand your skill set, and demonstrate your value to your employer. Switch jobs. Explore opportunities with higher earning potential. Explore side hustles. Freelancing. Offer your skills in writing, design, programming, marketing, etc. on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Guru. Consulting. Leverage your expertise to advise businesses or individuals. Online business. Start an e-commerce store, dropshipping business, or sell digital products. Gig economy. Drive for Uber Lyft, deliver food with DoorDash, Grubhub, or complete tasks on TaskRabbit. Budgeting. Track your income and expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. Saving. Automate regular savings to a high-yield savings account or money market fund. Investing. Long-term investing. Contribute to a 401k, Roth IRA, or taxable brokerage account, investing in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and ETFs. Explore other options. Consider real estate investing, peer-to-peer lending, or starting a small business. Invest in yourself. Acquire new skills through online courses, workshops, or certifications to increase your earning potential. Monetize your hobbies. Turn your passions into profit by selling crafts, offering lessons, or creating content. Build multiple income streams. Don't rely on a single source of income. Diversify to create financial stability and accelerate your progress. Set clear goals. Break down your $100,000 goal into smaller, manageable milestones. Stay motivated. Visualize your success and celebrate your progress along the way. Be patient and persistent. Building wealth takes time and effort. Stay committed to your plan, even when faced with setbacks.